In lesson 6.4, guys, we're going to take a look at using pan balance models to solve problems. In the past few days, we've looked at bar models and we've looked at trial and error as different ways to try to solve. We can also look as algebra and solving these equations as balancing and trying to get things on a pan balance to weigh the same. So we're going to walk through that a little bit and see how to use this to help us solve. So in this case, I'm trying to find what one ball would equal in cubes. And I can see there's 3 of the balls over here equals these 3 rows. So this one's pretty simple. I can see that if I took this ball off to keep this thing balanced, I'd have to take 3 of those off. All right, and then I'm left this ball. If I pull it off, I would have to pull 3 more cubes off. So what I see left is one ball would weigh the same as 3 cubes. I now have this thing balanced, okay? And that's algebraic thinking, just trying to balance things, getting both sides to equal. In case of this, sometimes we have X, or if we say B for ball, one ball would equal 3, or B would equal 3. So again, this is algebraic thinking here, thinking about pan balances here. All right, down in the bottom, we're trying to figure out what one glass would be. So I'm going to cross off similar things. So if I would take off a glass off of this side, I'd have to take a glass off of that side, since those 2 glasses are the same and weigh the same, and this thing would still be balanced. I could take a spoon off here, so let's take a spoon off here. Those are gone, they weigh the same, we're still balanced. And I want to get it down to one of these glasses, which I've done. So this tells me whatever's left over here is how much one glass weighs. And I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoons left. So I know one glass would weigh the same as 6 of those spoons. Okay, so again, you can think of those as ratios as 2. 1 to 6 ratio there and a part to part. So again, a lot of the stuff we've done in the past, you can see that it applies to this algebra with that thinking. In this case, that one glass equals 6 spoons, and in this one ball equaled 3 cubes. So again, a different way to think about solving, just balancing.